Pop that in there. I've got that coal that was loose as well, so I'm getting rid of that. Fine. Now then, I have the start of my repair systems. My base over there needs a lot of help. That turret is almost dead, so I need more bots. That's for sure. I need more repair packs as well. And I need replacements inserted, so I need to get things working to actually replace things. Because of things. Yes, things. I'm saying things too often, aren't I? Things. Yeah. So I'm going to have to set up a lot of production now to feed this automatic repair system that's starting to come into place. That's fine. It's something to do. Since this is just a casual recording series, you know, it is me playing and building things. And unfortunately I don't have any more ports yet, so that is another issue. Maybe I should have gone for some efficiency in this layout, but that's something to do some other time, I think. Because right now it's just tucked in here and it's slowly giving me the parts I need. This bit's doing fine since it's easy to make stuff. Those packs are so easy to do. So yeah, that's going great. The other thing I was going to do though was automatic robot construction. What I need now is construction bots. Lots of construction bots. What's the hold up in here? The fact that it doesn't need anything. Okay, now then. To build a robot, I think I need some advanced circuits, don't I? Intermediate parts. Yes, I need advanced circuits. Oh, great. Okay, that means I need more space than is available here. So where am I going to do this? I don't want to do it up here because this might wind up being a rail yard of some sort. Or that might. Or I don't know. I think... Well, I've got most of my resources heading up here anyway, so might as well do it here? Yeah, here's good. Yeah, here. I'll do it here. Will this be an efficient place to do it? No. I don't think this will be an efficiency build. Just like before. No, wait. I'm building construction bots, not logistic bots. Construction bots only need regular electronic circuits, so okay, that saves a lot of space. Okay, what do I need to feed into it? I need one to build the bots themselves. Fine. I need a source of electronic circuits. That is 2. So, where is it? 1, 2. Okay, build 2 factories. Fine. So that is supplying the bots and regulars. I also need 1 to build the actual frames. So that's that. Now for a frame, I need more electronic circuits. I don't need to double up on supply for that because flying robot frame is slow to build. So I can easily make enough. And apart from that, it's raw resources or engines, which I'm already making. So, oh dear. Great. That's not good. Not good at all. You know the frequency of the attacks that I've been mentioning? Yeah? Look at this. This is not what I want to see. I do not want to see this, because this is my ammunition line, which is running dry. I'm not making enough ammunition. I don't have the ammunition to keep my guns firing at the rate they're going. Because I don't have the steel production to supply it. Great. So I need to step up my steel, or I need to route iron into my steel production line as fast as can be. Which means I'm actually going to pull this tunnel out. That cuts most of my iron ore processing out of circuit. but it ensures that my steel line gets a lot more iron ore coming through, which might be enough to get things operational again. But wow, okay, that was bad. That was very, very bad. I did not expect that. I know that running research is expensive, but jeez, to have my ammo line starting to run out? That's not good at all. Oh yeah, incoming attack. There are medium biters and things in there now. So it's no wonder there's some problems going on. I'll just get that entire thing fueled up. Like so. Well, fueled up, fixed up, something up. Whatever. Whatever. I might as well bleed these out while I'm at it. Well, if I've got space to. How much has this one down here got? Whoa. Thing is, each of these is a single enemy kill. So, nearly 4,000 kills. That's how much these guns down here have been murdering. Wow. I knew I was being attacked, but that's the first time I've ever actually managed to put a number on it. So, yes, okay. I'm going to head and drop these straight into my automatic production line. There we go. I mean, I've got a fair few alien artifacts going now. My bots are running around just fine. And I should have the factories I need to actually produce the stuff. Yeah, I'm calling it the stuff. This is the main feed lines I need. Now then, let's see. How am I going to organise this? Hang on, is this enough factories? I need one that, which will produce... which requires that. Yes. Okay, that's fine. And that will feed into the bot one and feed into the frame one. So I guess it's like a phallic design, like that. That would probably do it. Yeah, this one needs a dual-fed line of batteries and steel. So that's the steel line. Batteries going to be fed from here. So that's all good. And this one will be the one which just needs, well, it just needs the circuits in the frame, so that one will just build the robots. Yep, this will all fit quite neatly, actually. Yeah. Still a slight lack of space for other feed lines to come down, like ore resources, but if I get a train and loading station up here, that will actually feed into this line here for ore processing, so that should be fine, actually. You will build my robots. You will build my airframes. You will build circuits. You will build wire. Yeah, that's looking good. Need a tunnel. I need to reroute the line slightly, and I need inserters. Now, this one needs steel, so I'm going to reroute this line slightly. There we go. That'll let it feed into that, and I'll just do the same with the battery line. I'll warp it a little bit, or I might as well just do that, actually. Yeah, might as well do that. There we go. So that battery line is a bit convoluted, but it gets into position to feed that, like so. That one can go that way. I need one going that way and one going that way. Now, this needs metal plates, though, so that's going to be a split and a reroute. There's no way around that. Yeah, it's going to have to come from this line here. Oh, I've lost two things. I've lost two turrets, top right. Okay, I'm going to have to deal with that quite soon. I'm not going to put in a full-fledged thing, so I'm just going to put that there. Like that, so I'll get a single chain of iron ore coming through. Like so. I'm going to need another tunnel because I wasn't planning to use that one. So I'll do 1, 2. That'll feed into that and that. And another inserter there. Fine. Now the tunnel I need is for this bit here. So like that. Because this needs to draw from this line here. So, you know, just an inserter. That's all it needs. So I'll put it like that. Probably like... no, not like that. Like that. Yeah, that'll do. And I won't need to put down another power line if I extend that like that. Yep, that's fine. Now, you will feed into that. You will feed there. You will feed there. And that should be automatic construction robot assembly. So that said, I do actually need another inserter and a chest to put them into. So give me that stuff, thank you. Right, I'll put the chest there. Put the there. I don't want you to build up more than 3 stacks. Yeah, leave it 3 stacks. And yes, the big bottleneck is the... Oh! Stupid, 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 stupid. Right. 3 tunnels. Okay, in all my happiness and trying to get it arranged down here, I forgot to include a way for the, yeah, you know. I forgot to include a way for the actual electric engines to get down here. So, you know. Whoops. Might as well do that so it can reduce the number of tunnels I need a little. Though I do need more tunnels. Okay, I need 1 from in here. So, that'll go into there. I need 1 there. I need this line here, so that'll be 1 there. 1. Oh, yeah, I don't quite have enough tunnels. I also need 2 more inserters. 1 to unload engines, and 1 to pick them up at the other end. And I'm going to have to do a thorough investigation of my defensive line after this as well. Because things are not going well. There we go. That should all be hooked up. Now I just need this. Actually get the engines down to the frames. And of course, yeah, power. There we go. Okay, the entire assembly starts up. And I have engines in the pipeline. You only need 1, right? Yeah, it needs 1. And now the entire thing comes to life. Yay! It's all working. Great. Now, defense check. Very, very defense check, because I need to check the defenses. Yeah. Okay. This entire upper section is collapsing. Because I ignored it for a bit. Also, I didn't put enough guns here in the first place, it looks like. So, yes, I'm going to have to do something about that rather now. Like that. This section is not covered by my repair bots. It's going to need 2 ports to actually get out of there. That laser turret, despite its durability, is almost dead. Yeah, that's a long way out of my repair bot range right now. Do I have... I hope I've got 2 ports lying around. It's been enough time, so there should be 2 ports, I hope. Yep, there's 2 ports. Okay. And it's slowly building up to a 3rd one. Right, I can extend my repair bot range to cover that section. That's good. That is good. Oh yeah, that's perfect. That okay. I can just put one here next to this resource line. Because if I put it in that corner, while great, it won't actually fully do what I want it to. So will that... Actually, no. Okay, this resource line is actually in the way a little bit. Because I want it to be, ideally, about there where this massive intersection is. Can I do it like that? Yeah, that works, that works. There we go. So I only needed the one. And I'm going to have to do this resource line so it drops underneath it. And do it like that. Oh yeah, power. It needs power. Of course it needs power. There we go. You have power. So go ahead and fix things. I demand you. I demand it. I am your creator. I demand that you fix things because I don't want it all blowing up. Yep, that's fine. That's great. That's working. There should be a repair bot floating around somewhere which is on its way now. I hope. Yep, there it is. It's flying around. I just can't see it because there's no light in this area. However, it is very lonely, so it needs more. Yep, it's flitting around. How many of you managed to make while I was doing that? Ooh, 7. Wow. Okay. Yeah, fly, my pretties. Fly, my pretties. You are my flying monkeys. Yeah. Sometimes the classics, like Wizard of Oz and all that. And I've got plenty of repair packs, so they can go do that. Yeah, that's great. My own little army just flying around doing repairs and stuff. So that should keep this place from outright collapse. This corner's not doing too good. I think I need some repair packs of my own. I've lost a turret as well. So I'll put one there. Give you a new provider. Sorry, inserter. Fix things up so that you don't expire immediately. And how many do I need? Can I extend range to do this? Yes, I can. Okay, that's great. So I want one to be down here, roughly. So yeah, I'll put one here. Along with a power cable to keep things running. And that's my entire northern and eastern sides of my base are now covered by automatic repair. That's great. Though I think I better step in and fix this laser turret. Oh man. That is damaged. Yep, okay. That'll do. I'll leave that. The repair bots can finish it up. I also had to drop in another collector over here, by the by. Just thought I'd point that out, because while these two collectors are great, they don't quite overlap in the middle. So a third one was needed. So yeah. Great. I actually have some defences that are actually standing up to things now. It's a very weird feeling, because practically since the aliens started to attack this base, I've been scrambling to try and keep things working. All over the place kind of deal. But now my repair network is finally coming online, and things are holding up a whole lot better. At least in this section here. This section isn't covered. So I need to extend the repair lines all the way down to here, which is going to be maybe 2 ports over there and at least 2 there. So a good 4 robo ports to actually get that covered. That reminds me, I haven't checked on west side very much at all, have I? Hang on, that is covered, isn't it? Yes, that is covered, great. It's just there's too many repair jobs for my repair bots, so they aren't actually doing it right now. Let's drop... Hey, another 7, great. Yep, there you go. All going to do what they do. What are you doing? Oh, recharging and docking. Huh, okay. Yep, that's fine. You can just go ahead and have a little nap. I don't mind. My power systems can support that, so I don't mind that at all. Surprisingly, the turrets up here are still standing. I'm not sure how that happened. But yeah, I think that should about cover things for the time being. So, I actually have repair systems. Hooray! It's a long time coming. And they don't quite cover everything, but I am expanding my repair capacity at a very fast rate. With the exception of the ports, which are going painfully slowly because they need some advanced circuitry to go into them. How many am I actually going to need? The problem is the orange areas have to connect, so one will be down here. One will be about here, so yeah, it looks like 4 ports in total until that side is covered. So yeah, I've got to say, this base is looking more and more complex as it goes. You can tell that's the ore smelting, but this entire section is just a tangle of factories now. It's kind of nice to see how the base is developing. In some ways it's organic, like bits here, bits there, bits everywhere else. In some ways it's very artificial because of how I've laid things out for these main arteries that are snaking through it. So yeah, I like the look of it, to be honest, even if it's not an ultra massive, ultra efficient design. And sooner or later I'm going to have to build bigger around it, so you know, that's how you do. But yeah, this is Iron Mark 3. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you some other time. See you later.